Welcome to another video. In this video, we will see medical coding jobs for freshers. Here is a small disclaimer. Do not pay fee for application process or for job process. Should know the salary, location, eligibility before you attend, and also should know the reputation of the company as well. Hiring life science freshers, medical coding, Coimbatore location, walk-in drive from 17th July to the 23rd of July, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore location. As we all know, the eligibility criteria should be life science, should have good communication skills, and should more than 28 years, and should have all the certifications with 60% in 10, 12, and UG. Direct walk-in drive. Here it is the address, Monday to Friday. Here it is the HR details, Abhinaya HR. Phone number also I have mentioned. Interested can share your resume to below email ID. So this is about Corro Health of Coimbatore location. Greeting from Sutherland. Hiring for certified freshers, CPC or CCS certification can apply. Direct walk-in only. Interested candidates can share your CV to Harishma. I have already uploaded about this opening in previous videos as well. One more opening for CPC certified freshers, CPC or CCS. Saturday, Sunday week off. I have already uploaded about this opening as well, and this is for Hyderabad location, CPC or CCS certified candidates only. Here is one more opening from Corro Health, hiring for huge opening for freshers, Bangalore location, hiring medical coding. Desired profile should be life science is mandatory, 60% required in 10, 12 and degree. Must have good communication skills, work from office only. Interested candidates share your resume to HR. Durga Devi. Bangalore location. Both certified and non-certified as per my knowledge. Utilize the opportunity. So many people are looking for Bangalore location. Just 2 hours ago, she have posted in her profile. Greeting from Episource, Optum, trainee medical coder 2018 passed out Chennai location. They have uploaded 5 hours ago in their profile, but a few people telling that they are not hiring. I am not sure. Just share your CV to that email ID. They will give you the revert. So this is about Episource. And for Chennai, Corro Health also hiring. For Chennai location, Corro Health, and Episource for Coimbatore, Corro Health, for Bangalore, Corro Health. For Chennai, Sutherland also hiring for certified. Omega also hiring, but they won't provide you anything for first 3 months for non-certified. So there is mega walk-in drive for medical coder. This is not for freshers. 3 to 6 years experienced candidates with a certification. And there is mega walk-in drive tomorrow 10 a.m. to the 12 p.m. All the specialties are eligible. Radiology, cardiology, IP, drug, international radiology, these all. This is about Thrive Digital Health. Divya Darshini, Optum HR, Episource. Omega Healthcare also hiring, but they will give you 3 months training. After that, they will conduct the exam. If you clear that exam, then only they are considering as employee. So few people telling that it's a waste of time to join in Omega. So I suggest better to join in Omega because there are no opening in the market. At least you will get an knowledge by learning over there. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.